Guys, welcome to MG Auto Gas. Today we are going to discuss about Hyundai i10 Grand. In this vehicle we have fitted Tomato actually. It comes with a double stage reducer, ECM, injector rail, filling valve, tank and cylinder valve. In this video we see the refilling valve, which is a two-way type which connects the reducer and the tank. So the filling, it is an OE type model. So you can it is the same as the Maruti lid. Then comes the type L injector. It is a metal injector with 3 ohms. Always the injectors installed parallel to the petrol injector to get the best performance. This vehicle we have fitted ECM. It's an OBD2 ECM 48 pin with OBD2 features. We also have installed timing advance Cobra type, which is an inductive sensor, and this reducer comes with a double stage reducer, so the pressure is stabilized even at high RPMs, and there is no variation in idle. The pressure is, we have installed a pressure gauge so that we can check the level in the switch. The switch is a feather touch switch with petrol indication and gas indication as well as gas level. Whenever gas gets over, it automatically converts to petrol, giving a beep sound. In this vehicle we have installed 60-liter tank where we can fill almost 7 to 8 kg of CNG. The cylinder is installed with a thermostat valve for safety. In this vehicle we have installed a temperature sensor, map sensor, pressure sensor. So any variation in the temperature, pressure or map will convert back to petrol. So it's 100% safe. In this regard, if you have any inquiries or queries, you can contact us.